Thank you. Myself Gyanen Singh, class 9th. Today I teach you some common infectious diseases. Common infectious diseases. 23, 30, date 30. So I comes into the first. It is malaria. Infectious disease is more dangerous because of it is spread quickly. So 300 millions per years humans are suffering from malaria. Approximately 200 are die per year. So malaria is very dangerous. It agent Plasmodium vivax and is spread by the mosquito female anopheles. When the female Plasmodium vivax, it is present in the saliva of the mosquito female anopheles. When the female anopheles bite the healthy persons, the plasmodium forsake in its blood stream. So the patient are suffering from the malaria. The symptoms of malaria: head attack, high fever, shivering, and it is comes into the periodically 8 to 10 hours per day. The prevention: used iron gauze of the window and doors and use net for sleeping, जिसे मच्छरदानी कहते हैं, and also use sleeping mosquito repellent and dye that mosquito and cleaning your coolers and killed adult mosquito by the spraying and chemicals. Control: quinone is the drugs of the malaria. It is excreted by the cinchona plants, the bark of cinchona. Jaundice: it is a viral disease. It is in the liver, not work properly. Viral infection: it is also called hepatitis A and B. The vaccine: it is symptoms: yellowing skin and eye, dark yellow your urine, and light yellow your fecals. So this is a prevention. We take the fresh and safe drinking water and food. We should take the vaccine of hepatitis A and B. AIDS, rabies: it is viral infection, bite by the rabid dog or mammals. This is also called hydrophobia. Hydro means hating. Hydro means water. Phobia, hating. Water hating disease. The patients hating the water. It is more dangerous because of when the dog bites and other mammal bites, the rabbit bites, then its virus comes into the human. It infects the nervous system also. Symptoms: locking jaw, locking throat, high fever, head attack, nausea, and pain of muscular of the body, these also. Prevention, the killed the dogs, rabid dogs immediately, and wash that wound for the antiseptic, and and immediately go to the hospital for the vaccination. Next, AIDS. It is full name of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS, the virus HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So AIDS caused by HIV. It is viral revitro in the which RNA is the genetic material. So HIV damages the human's immune system of lymphocytes, T4 lymphocytes. When the immune system is damaged, the various type of diseases comes into our body because our immune system does not fight along them. So it is very dangerous. It is protected by the unsafe sexual contact, and blood transfusion was safe. If the blood which are transfused by to the other persons suffering from the AIDS, the person which are transferred the transfused the blood also suffered, and safe and new syringe used. TB, it is tuberculosis. It is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. TB is common nowadays, very, very dangerous. It bacteria attacks in lungs, bones, and various parts of the body. It is the symptoms: body loss, fever, coughing, and vomiting of bloods. Also, this is infectious disease. Healthy person, it comes into these contacts, and contacts, the cough, sneezing, talking, the droplets comes into the healthy person. So the healthy person also suffering from the TB. So it is the TB. Okay.